Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO Reno for Lite, and let me show you how to show battery percentage on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on notifications and status bar. And as you can see on the status bar section, we've got the battery percentage option. Now we've got only the battery icon, but in order to show the exact percentage, simply tap on this switcher, and as you can see inside the battery icon, we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. If you want to turn it off and leave only the battery icon, just tap on it again, but let me turn it on because it's quite useful. So that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your OPPO Reno for Lite. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.